Hello, so today I'll be explaining assignment 4. So the first thing that I did was I created a variable called song and set that equal to a blank string. And then I made another variable called our counter and set that equal to 1. So when it goes through the loop, it'll start at 1 and not 0. And then I made an infinite loop. So while true, I created a user word variable and set that equal to an input that will prompt the user if they would like to enter more lines. If the user enters yes, then it'll then prompt them again with a variable called mySong, and it will prompt them to enter their line. If the user enters no, then the program will break and it'll end the loop. But if the user enters yes, then we will then build the string with the else statement. We'll set song equal to itself plus our line followed by counter, which has been converted to a string. So it'll print out 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, etc. And then we will then add a colon to make it look a little better. And then we'll then add a space followed by my song, which will be printed out each time through the loop, and then a new line character. So it prints out each line of the song on its own line. And then after that, we initialize the counter and set that equal to counter plus 1. So it'll add on to the loop each time it goes through. And then we'll then print out verse. So it just prints out the literal verse string. And then we'll print out our string. So after that, we can run it, enter a few lines, enter yes, it prompts us, enter it one more time, then just to break the string, and it'll print out our song. Thank you so much.